Perfectly clean production equipment. That's what you want as a food manufacturer, because contamination leads to problems with product quality, wastage, or damage of reputation. Just a regular hose won't do the job. L-Press Cleaning Systems enables you to foam clean and disinfect your production facilities. For smaller production facilities with just a couple of cleaning stations, a decentralized system is more than enough. The booster unit pumps water to a cleaning station, where a satellite adds the necessary cleaning agent to the water. Medium to large-sized production facilities require a centralized system. The foam and disinfection unit dispenses a pre-dosed mixture of water and cleaning agents to multiple stations. All L-Press cleaning systems are thrifty in the use of water, power, and cleaning agents. They are low on maintenance and easy to operate. From now on, you'll only work with spotless production equipment. Enter a world of hygiene at lpress.com/learn more.